What's up, guys? I know I haven't posted in a while, but I'm back with the video on the Go-Kart Pro 2, so let's check it out. Alright, let's get started. Looks amazing. It comes with this, which I'm guessing is the feature that allows it to be played with a video game. So this is what it is. It's this, and so this is it. You mount the wheels on here, and then you are able to play it on a video game. And here's this. This is how you use it. And so it also, in this box, comes the charger for it and these. There's this box at the back. So in here we have the spoiler right here. Looks really good. And we also have the speaker. This is the speaker for the engine. And here are some of the plugs and cables. Also in this bag is the flag, which goes on the back on the spoiler right there. And also in this box is this, which is you can ride on top of it, and you can mount it to the back of the power system of the go-kart, and then you could ride it. This box also has this, which these are just the screws and like screwdrivers and like the batteries. So in this box is the tool that you use whenever you want to play like a racing video game with the go-kart, and you put it on the bottom of the wheels. And then in this box there is the spoiler and the speaker for the engine, and then there's the plugs and the flag and the batteries and like the screws and stuff. And then there's this, which is a tool that you can use. You can attach this part to the bottom of the wheels, and you can ride on it.
1, 2, 3. Come on, Fez, get under the house. Don't let, come on. Okay. Push the box out of the way. All right.
Okay, so you charge the go-kart by taking the charger and taking the plug, and then you have to uncap this part, and then you have to kind of find where like there's an indent, and then you have to plug it in, and then you can see the charging. To start it, you press the on button back here, and then you turn this on, and it'll be in park. So I'll have to reverse out of here. Once you turn it on, it'll be in park. So whenever you have to reverse, you just push up and it'll make the beeping sound to know that you're in reverse.